lash reveal, lash reveal. This is the same tape that professional lash techs use when they're doing your lash extensions. We are going to use it for our cluster lashes. We're going to take a strip of tape about this big. You're just going to rip it off, super easy peasy. If you have really sensitive skin, you might want to put it on the back of your hand first to get some of that adhesive off. What you're going to do is get the strip of lash tape super close to the base of your eyelid where your lashes come out. You're going to stick the bottom half down to the lid. You're going to lift it up and you're going to tape it up by your eyebrow. This is going to make it easier for you to see your lashes, see what you're doing, make it easier for you not to get anything in your eyeball. First thing you're going to do is take your bond and seal. You're going to take the bond side of the bond and seal. That is the glue. It's got a little curved wand here. We're going to take that glue and we're going to apply it all over the lashes from root to tip. There are a lot of people that will tell you only to put your bond on the base of your lashes. I will tell you to put it on from root to tip because it makes your lashes last way longer. If your lashes get clumped up, I have a hack for that. It's in my lash playlist. This glue lasts over a week. The whole kit that I'm using is on sale for $11. Once you get this kit, you have everything you need and you can use this glue on other random lashes if you wish. But without this glue, you're going to be hurting. So I'm going to start by taking a 15. See this cutesy little 15? We're going to put it on the outer corner. I'm going to grab it by the base like this, okay? So I grabbed it by the base. Now I'm going to grab it and I'm going to transfer it over and apply it by the tip. So this is a 15 next to another 15. We'll go down to 14. Also remember, I have vision loss, so if I can do it with vision loss, you can certainly do it without vision loss. See how I got it down on my waterline like that? It doesn't hurt right now, but if I were to leave it there, it would hurt later. Just take it off and readjust it so that it's not touching your waterline, okay? So sometimes I gotta redo it. So that's 15, 15, 14. I'm gonna jump down right to 13. 15, 15, 14, 13. Make sure you guys follow me. I do a lash cluster tutorial every single weekend. 12. 11. Here's another 11. 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 11. Little baby 9. This is a 9. Pinch your lashes. Pinch your lashes. Once we've pinched our lashes, we're going to go in with the seal side of the bond and seal, which is going to look clear like this. We're going to scrape off the excess because we really don't need all of that. And we're just going to tap, 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 tap. We're going to pinch again after we put the seal on. Another step that is very critical that you cannot forget, you're not done until you swipe your lash line with a Q-tip. There's going to be residual glue and seal that's on your waterline. Even if you can't see it, you can see I got a little bit of glue on my waterline. If I leave that there, it's going to dry and get crusty and it's going to hurt later. And then you're going to think, oh, I have a lash stuck in my eye. I got to take them off. But you don't have a lash stuck in your eye. It's just the glue. Every single weekend, we do a lash live tutorial and I show you from step 1 all the way to the end. And I can answer all your questions. You can do it with me. Lash reveal, lash reveal, lash reveal. Lash reveal, lash reveal, lash reveal, lash reveal, lash reveal.